Welcome to another episode of the Rookie Meme Hunter Show. Where we're trying to turn $5 into 5K. Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Thanks for joining the show today. First off, I am not a financial advisor, just a lonely crypto bro who loves investing in different crypto projects. Do not invest in a crypto project that we may bring to the table, all right? Join our Telegram group, links in the description, where we find and share new crypto project info. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, because this is crypto, baby. You'll go broke. All right, this video, we're on Pump.Fun. I've been messing around with this for a while now. I'm just trying to get used to it, familiar with it, and I think I'm kind of used to it. This website, you got to kind of be careful. I've already been kind of rugged twice. Not really a rug, but where they just kind of drain the liquidity out of the account. So you got to really be careful, but once you get used to it and you know what to look for, it actually can be pretty good. And also, another good thing about this is this feature right here that we're pointing at. Start a new coin. You can release your own meme coin on here and get it popping, all right? And that's probably going to be the direction that we're going to go as soon as we get more familiar with this website, because, my reasoning for starting a meme coin is I'm tired of all these rugs, bro. I'm tired of getting rugged. I don't know about anybody else. I'm one of the ones where I'm not made of money. You know what I mean? So I'm not trying to be putting, $100 on this for you to just drain the liquidity, and I got to worry about my money being gone. You know what I mean? So that's kind of I'm tired of getting rugged. I just want a safe token, and I know there's plenty of safe tokens out there. But still, it's like I put money into so many of these so-called safe tokens, and days later, you be down so much, or there's some big sales out of nowhere, or, like just recently, them trying to shake everybody out of the market. Our bags are just hurting right now. So anyways, that's kind of one of the reasons why I wanted to start my own cryptocurrency, but that'll be for later. But right now, we're on Pump.Fun. We're going to see if we can find a play. All right, let's connect our wallet really quick. Wait a minute. Let's go ahead and see exactly what wallet is on. Okay, let me look up here. All right, this is going to be my Pump wallet. All right, so we have a Pump wallet. This is the wallet that we're going to be using on Pump.Fun. Okay, as you can see, we're going to go down my list. I got a little bit of Solana left in there. And we have a little bit of this token called Potty and Love Catfish. I actually sold these, and these were actually the remainings. Made a couple of bucks off Potty, but Love Catfish, there was some fishy stuff going on in that chart, so I had actually jumped out. I kind of lost a little bit, took a little bit of an L, only about 50, 60 cents, something like that. But, it's crypto, baby. You ain't trying to lose nothing, but it's all good. It's all good. This is the Pump one. We're going to go over to our main wallet really quick so we can just take a look and see what's going on. I kind of pumped the bag a little bit on that Rod AI. Okay, that Rod AI dropped a lot, but right now is I'm probably going to actually pump it up a little bit more, add some more to the Rod AI cart. We got Star Atlas. That's down. It's down about $11, something like that. 12? No, it's down about almost $20 actually. So we getting beat up there. Dog with Hat been staying on top. Dog with Hat, like, he don't care. It doesn't matter about the market dropping, none of that stuff. It's been just towering through, So we're up a little bit on that one. So that one's looking good. Moo the Bull is another one. Moo the Bull is always in the green, always looking really good. We got about almost 1 million shares of Moo, so we're straight on that. We got a little bit of the Win token. I'm actually going to get rid of these. Now, that's not saying that Win is not a good token. Win is an excellent token. But I can't pack bags on everything. I have a problem with, or I used to have a problem with, I still do, I ain't from the cap. Got a problem with just, man, I see a good meme coin, I think I like it or whatever, and I just get a little bag of this, little bag of that, little bag of this, little bag of that, and then kind of build the bags up over time, and then decide the ones that I actually want to hold on to, and then I'll kind of like trade them and all that. But Book of Meme is down here. See, this is another one. I grabbed just a tiny bag of this. Geo Bowden is another one. I grabbed just a very tiny bag of that. So, just trying to get a little sample, kind of see what's going on. But I can tell you, Geo Bowden, we're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of Book of Meme, and we're going to get rid of Win. And then we're going to we're probably going to just add them somewhere else. Maybe get some more Dog with Hat, or, maybe some more Rod AI. But Rod AI is looking really good. Looking really good. A lot of these is getting beat up. Miss Bunk, Peggy, Diddy on Soul, Slow Token, Dobie. Got a bunch of little ones in here. Bebe, Nine Cat, Willie the Whale, Soul Bros, Rex with Hat. I tell you something. Once Solana starts getting back up and everything starts going crazy again, I got a good feeling about some of these tokens that are really much down. Now they might end up picking up steam. Okay, so let's go to our HODL wallet. In the HODL wallet, we got Gummy. That's about 55 bucks. It actually pulled back up because Gummy dropped all the way down to like 39. I had like 39 bucks or whatever. And I got 400 shares of Gummy. Probably I might get a little bit more, but I got 55 in there, so that's pretty good. And we also got that new play. We jumped in this maybe about 3 days ago. That Timmy Crypto 30. We got him actually as a mascot on our page here. And as you can look on the little look where my mascots are on the side of the page. One's missing. Okay, that's Diddy on Soul. I kind of removed that one. I'm gonna go ahead and actually find one to replace. I think I might put Gummy up there. I'm trying to put the actual meme coins that I got the most conviction behind, but I got a couple of different ones. I'm a meme coin guy. I also love my altcoins as well. I got other bags of that in other places and stuff like that, but right now we're just messing with the Solana, and this is what I got. I want to pick up some altcoins on Solana. We'll do that another day though. Right now we got about $23 left in USDC, which we have to pick that back up. I've been kind of dispersing that, man. I've been getting beat up with the bots and stuff like that, so that's kind of been dropping. Solana's at about 15 bucks. So Solana I got on here. I actually picked up some of this Blue Whale. Blue Whale, it's down a little bit today. Blue Whale, I actually was watching. I think I was watching Crash's show or something like that, and somebody who I think he had these people up there from Blue Whale. Let me just pull it up really quick here. I gotta change my hotkeys. But this is Blue Whale that I was just talking about. It's on Solana, Radium, blah blah. Let's pull up the market cap here. The price is actually 31.73. It's 144K on the liquidity, and it's locked. About almost 3K volume for today. Not much volume. It's around that 760K mark. Kind of been flirting around there. It actually just pulled back from that 846K mark. So, it's a pretty good position. They have website, Twitter, Telegram, all that good stuff. This will give you just a little idea of what's going on from Billy to a Billy. Okay, meet Billy the Blue Whale, our mascot, who is taking us on a journey to $1 billion, all right? So, it's a really good actual little project I was looking into. Tokenomics, it's looking like 1, 2, 3 million. So it's 24 billion. We have 86% on liquidity, 7% in marketing, and the team, 0 tax. Burn liquidity, mint authority is revoked, and freeze authority is revoked. All right, got Blue Whale. Yeah, so looking pretty good. All right, let's jump back to Pump, and let's jump back to the wallet. Okay, whenever that decides to pull up. So that's Blue Whale. We still got a little bit of Punky here, and I think I'm gonna pack this bag right here, so I'm gonna leave that alone. I actually was messing around on Pump.Fun, and I actually got this FUD beer. FUD beer was popping for a few minutes, and then it dropped. They have a crazy community. That's the only reason I'm sitting on these tokens. And, I'm actually going to pack a little bit of bags of this because maybe I could see something going in the future for this. But I'm going to just pack the bag just in case. You know what I mean? It never hurts to have 100,000 shares just sitting around chilling. Never know what's going to happen. These are the other ones, some other plays I was messing with. Internal meme service, Larry Fink, that all went down, dropped. We got Land Wolf, that went down a little bit, but that wasn't on Pump.Fun. That was already in the wallet. Psychedelic Pepe, Cockbase, Wizard Frog, Family Guy, okay? Family Goy. Alright, so all that's off Pump.com. I don't know why it's even showing. I guess you have to do this often, I guess. Or I had them turned off, so I'll turn off this one, that one, bam, bam, and bam. These are just ones that they all dropped. That Larry Fink, I got to check on that, but we'll leave that alone. Pump Investments, yeah, I got that token too. So I got a bunch of little tokens up in here. Normally it's more congested than this, okay? So right now this is gonna be bot one. This is gonna be my bot wallet. I was pumping around like that. Okay, pump wallet, here we go. We got $3.22 in there. We're gonna see if we can find something good over here today. Let's see here. The market cap look like it's a little high. It's nice. 26K. I like the chart. The chart is nice. When you're on Pump.Fun, you gotta read these comments. That's the mistake I was making when I first started using it. I was not reading the comments. You know, I was not worried about none of that. I was just kind of doing the things that I wanted to do on this site, and that wasn't it. So I confirm the team is definitely serious, because what you want to hear, you want to read these comments and you want to see what they're saying about the dev. You want to read, and you want to check to make sure everything is kind of legit, or at least legit as possible. You know what I'm saying? So then you want to look over here and see about the holders. The dev is holding 6.39%. Bonding curve is at 34. The bonding curve is at 84%, but they hold about 34%. So let's see, there's some people with some good amounts of percentages over there. It's not too much, 4%, 3%, 2%, 1%, nothing too serious. 84% here. This could be a play where we can just kind of scalp it, just a quick buck or two if we wanted to. Let's see what else we got out there, all right? Let's go ahead and go back. Because that would be one, like something like that. It has a community. It seems like it's okay. I'm kind of in agreement with the chart. I didn't look to see if it had a website or a Telegram, so that would have been something that you have to check on before you want to hop in. But let's check on this right here. Okay, so this has a website, Twitter, and a Telegram. Okay, let's see what happens when we click on the website. So just because it says just because it says that does not mean that you know, it's active. So you want to click on it to make sure it's active. Okay, a little funny little website, kind of funny. Old boy dropping it like it's hot. Let's take a look here. Let's look at the chart. The chart is looking lovely. I like the chart. Let's see, Dev is holding about 4%. This one is funny. Join the VC. Da 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 da. Sender, shake that ass. 14K dip. Okay, rocket. So I don't see anything too crazy. 65% on the bonding curve. I'm gonna go ahead and rock with this. All right. So we'll probably do one play so we don't make the video too long, and then we're gonna go ahead and restart this camera and get it popping one more time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 0.02 SOL. Yeah, right. 0.02 SOL. Wait a minute. We're not even connected no more. Boom, boom. Confirm. Close. Bam, bam. I got 0.2. I was getting beat up earlier. It was crazy. It wouldn't let me out. I was upset it wouldn't let me get out. I had to change my slippage. It was just beating me up earlier. See, I had to change it to 10. I'm finna put that shit back to 5, bro. That boom, 0. Boom, and it ain't really no money, but man, this is Pump.Fun. You gotta kind of mess with it. You know what I mean? I'm still in that mess with it phase. You know, where if I put in like 0.01 or something like that, I'll go ahead and pull out when it's like 0.03 or 0.02. Just double up my money real quick. You know what I mean? And then go ahead and then rerun the play over again. So just waiting for this confirmation of this transaction. So it's confirmed. Boom. So then now all I do is I'll hit sell. I'll hit 100%, and then I keep my eyes on this right here, and I keep my eyes on this chart. And I also learned another lesson too is don't do too many at a time, because in the beginning I was rolling. I had one popping, then I'll click up another one, put pump on a different window, pop on another one, but then you can't keep your eye on everything. So like one of them rugged on me, you know what I mean? And the other one, it was just like stagnant, nothing was going on. Then the other guy was pumping, and I missed the pump, and someone so it was just drama. So I'm gonna do one at a time and keep my eyes on it. It's a 15K market cap up here, 16K virtual liquidity. Okay, the best thing is you can still do indicators and things like that. You can still largen up the charts. You can kind of do your little map outs and all that good stuff. But we're not really in this to trade this, but we're just gonna hold that, double up our money real quick, maybe even triple up. It's only 66%. When this bonding curve goes all the way to 100%, they send it to radium. And then what I learned about that is you just got to be careful because it goes fast. All right, we'll save that for another video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Pump.Fun. To the next one, y'all.